Now, responsibilities of different committees. For successful organization of sports meet, committees are formed under 3 heads. Pre-meet committees, जिनका काम टूर्नामेंट शुरू होने से पहले होता है, like publicity, ground and equipment and reception committee. During meet committees, जिनका काम टूर्नामेंट होता है जिस टाइम उस टाइम इनका काम होता है, लाइक रिफ्रेशमेंट एंड ट्रांसपोर्ट कमेटी. और पोस्ट मीट कमिटीज़ टूर्नामेंट के ख़त्म होने के बाद जो जिन कमिटीज़ का काम होता है, जैसे अवार्ड कमेटी. अब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़, आई जस्ट रीड इट आउट फॉर यू बिकॉज दीज आर वेरी सिंपल पॉइंट्स. नो, प्री टूर्नामेंट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़. To prepare the budget of the tournament sports event with the authority, because without sufficient budget it may be difficult to organize the tournament in a splendid and systematic way. To prepare the schedule or program of the sports tournament, that is, the dates and venues of the tournament. To prepare sports grounds, courts, tracks, equipments which are essential for organizing a sports tournament. To form the various committees for organizing sports tournament. To send the information to various teams about dates and venues of the tournament. To make necessary arrangements regarding boarding and lodging of sports persons and officials. To arrange prizes and certificates for winners. To send the entry forms to the various institutions early and receive them on time for timely preparation of fixtures. Now, ड्यूरिंग टूर्नामेंट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, कि जब टूर्नामेंट हो कंटिन्यू है तो उस टाइम क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ होती हैं. टू इंश्योर प्रॉपर अरेंजमेंट ड्यूरिंग इनॉग्रेशन ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स टूर्नामेंट. टू चेक दैट द स्पोर्ट्स ग्राउंड, फील्ड, कोर्ट एंड रिलेटेड स्पोर्ट्स इक्विपमेंट्स आर इन ऑर्डर. टू इंश्योर दैट द स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट्स टूर्नामेंट्स इज बीइंग ऑर्गेनाइज्ड एज पर शेड्यूल. To check the arrangement of refreshments to players and officials. To make necessary announcements regarding the process of tournament. To impart first aid to the injured athletes, sportspersons. To prepare proper score sheet for record. Score sheet where the scores are given. There are different score sheets for different games. They are designed in a particular way for a particular game. Now, to provide and update information to the electronic and print media to maintain proper discipline. Now comes the post tournament responsibilities, competition के बाद. To give away the prizes and certificates to the winner. To provide detailed results and other necessary information to the media, very important. To provide security refunds to the departing team, security refunds. To collect all the record files related to sports tournament. To make the payment to the officials and other concerned person, because they are appointed only when they asked for payment and they get it. To make the payments. To prepare reports related to expenditure of the tournament. To present mementos to chief guest or guest of honor, etc.